Hello everybody. So tonight we're doing a pantry meal. This is one I've done before. I always do it in different ways. Sorry if I shook you up there. So we are doing what we call tamale pie. So I'm going to be using some cornbread mix. Use whatever favorite cornbread you have. I'm going to be using some home canned chili and some store-bought. I'm going to try the hot with no beans, and don't know if my homemade has beans in it or not. This was just some leftover chili that I canned that I had made. We're going to use some cream style corn in our cornbread, some diced jalapeno, and you can add whatever you like to your cornbread. You can add onion, bell pepper, cheese, all sorts of stuff. So you can use your powdered milk and your powdered eggs for the cornbread mixture to make this completely pantry meal. I got the bell pepper from the garden, or the jalapeno. So we're going to start out with we're going to mix our chilies together. Had a nice suction on it. We'll see how spicy this chili actually is. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do all sorts of things here. Pantry meals, hauls, rants, food storage, off-grid cooking, sun oven cooking, dog pet preparedness. So we're just going to mix this up. And I'm using my cast iron skillet. It's a one-pan meal. Normally I wouldn't dirty all these bowls, but this is for demonstration purposes. So I can have everything ready for the video. If I were just doing this, I'd be pouring it all in the pan and stirring it up there. And so there's our chili. Now with the chili, on top of the chili, if you wanted to, you could add cheese, onions, bell pepper, whatever you wanted. But we're going to do really just a basic pantry version. So that is our chili. Okay, now we will make our cornbread. So, just going to add cornmeal mixture. And just the directions on the box. Egg. Milk, cream corn, jalapenos. And anything else you wanted to add. You want to stir it in, but you don't want to over mix it or it'll be tough. I'm just gonna fold all that in. Don't worry about little lumps. Just want to make sure everything is moistened and distributed. Dogs are all hopped up. It rained today, so whenever it rains they get a little hyper. And we're just going to pour this over the chili mixture. I have my oven preheated to 425, and you're just going to cook this until the cornbread is finished. And if you have cornbread or cake mixes or anything like that that's been on your shelf for a while, you can just add a teaspoon of baking powder, and that'll zhuzh it back up. Make sure it rises properly. So that is really full. I am going to put this on a cookie sheet because I'm pretty sure it will overflow. I'm going to pop it in the oven, probably take about 30 minutes. Okay, so I set the timer and we will see this when it comes out. You could probably use a bigger pan than I did. You don't have to use cast iron. You can use a casserole dish. So you don't have the probably overflowing issue I'm going to have. So that's it. So I'll see you when it pops out of the oven. Okay, you guys, here's the messiest tamale pie I've ever made, but it'll still be good. Let's get some toppings. Have some stuff from my tacos last night. See. It's gonna be good. Let's see if I can get this out without disaster. Need to get that chili. see. What's that? Some cheese. I don't know where to put anything, guys. Dollop of daisy. So let's see, I put a little onion on there. I think I want a little lettuce. Where did I put my stuff? You can top it with whatever you want or not put anything on it at all. Let's give her a taste. Smoking hot, a little chili, sour cream. I'm trying to get a piece of onion. Go. So good. And it's been raining all day, so that's a perfect rainy evening meal. So give it a try. Don't make it as messy as I did. Use a bigger pan, or only use half the chili and cornbread. And yeah, this is a good one, and it's on my channel in different forms, so you can look up the tamale pie. Some have cheese inside and onion and all that. So yeah, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and give these pantry meals a try. They're good, and I will see you in the next video.